Today on Buffalo Advice Dad, we're making this flower rock painting. It's real easy to make and lots of fun too. So you have to get some rocks in your neighborhood, make sure they're nice and clean, wash them, let them dry, and then you're going to paint them with acrylic paint. And I like using these foam paintbrushes, makes them easier to paint. So my daughter is designing the flowers to know which rocks to paint what color here. And you do whatever design you want. You're going to paint them whatever color you would like. Make it stand out or just do whatever you want to do. It's your choice. Or you can just make them like a sprinkle here of paint of different colors, rainbow. And then you're going to let them dry, and then you're going to glue them onto the board with nice glue like Gorilla or E6000 glue. Now you can paint the board if you want, you don't have to, but just make sure if you painted everything is dry. Here, now if you want to make this project, I put links to all the supplies in the show notes. So thanks for watching, please subscribe, and have a great day.